Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in English class. Today we will read a new lesson, Holi in the Jungle. As you know, Holi is the festival of colors. But kids, nowadays some people play Holi wrong manners. We always should play safe Holi. Okay, do you also like to play Holi? Yes, it is so much fun. Do you know animals also love to play Holi? How? First, take a look here. Holi in the jungle. Foxy the fox was singing. Let us play Holi, let us play Holi, let us play a trick on Holi. Bhima, the bear, saw Foxy put shoe polish and red paint into a box. He saw Foxy put in banana peels and some mud too. Bhima did not like this. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. They stopped under a tree. Bhima quietly threw away everything that was in the box. Then he put flowers and leaves into the box. They came to the middle of the jungle. Foxy began to sing. Come, come, everyone, let us play Holi, let us have fun. Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys, and deer came running. Foxy opened the box. He found flowers and leaves. All the animals clapped and danced. Foxy was puzzled. Bhima smiled. They played Holi with flowers and leaves. Holi was so much fun. So, have you enjoyed? Yes. Let's start the chapter Holi in the Jungle. So, here on the very first page, we have given some animals' name and we have to write their name according to their feature. So, first one is here. Which animal has big ears? Elephant. And which animal has stripes? It's tiger. And which animal is swinging from the tree? It's monkey. And which animal is in the river? It's hippo. And the last, which animal has beautiful feathers? It's peacock. Let's read the chapter from here. Foxy the fox was singing. Let us play Holi, let us play Holi, let us play a trick on Holi. So here in this chapter there is a fox and the name of this fox is Foxy, and there is an occasion of Holi. That's why Foxy was singing a song. From here, Bhima, the bear, saw Foxy put shoe polish and red paint into a box. He saw Foxy put in banana peels and some mud too. Bhima did not like this. So, there is a bear and his name is Bhima. Bhima was also there and he was watching while hiding behind a tree. Then he saw that Foxy put shoe polish, red paint, banana peels and mud for playing Holi, and Bhima does not like this. Okay, read further. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. They stopped under a tree. Bhima quietly threw away everything that was in the box. Then he put flowers and leaves into the box. So children, then Foxy asked Bhima to help her out in carrying the box full of all stuff which she has packed for playing Holi. Then while going, they stopped under a tree for taking rest. And as you know, Bhima not at all like whether Foxy packed for playing Holi. So what did he do? He quietly, here quietly means without making any noise. So Bhima, without making any noise, threw away everything that was there in the box. And so, what does he put in the back of the box instead of that? He puts flowers, leaves into the box. Now, come to the next page. From here, they came to the middle of the jungle. Foxy began to sing. Come, come, everyone, let us play Holi, let us have fun. So later on, they again started walking and came to the middle of the jungle. And Foxy began to sing a song again. And from here, rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys, and deer came running. Foxy opened the box. He found flowers and leaves. So now, who came running? Yes, when Foxy sang the song, rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys, and deer came running. And now, what did Foxy do? She opened the box. She found flowers, leaves instead of shoe polish, mud, red paint, which she had put in the box for playing Holi. Okay, next read further. All the animals clapped and danced. Foxy was puzzled. Bhima smiled. They played Holi with flowers and leaves. Holi was so much fun. Now, when all animals saw the flowers and leaves, they started to clapping and dancing. But Foxy got really confused that to see the flowers and leaves. And what did Bhima do? Bhima smiled. Everyone played Holi with flowers and leaves. And the Holi became so much fun for them. So, what we learned from this chapter? Yes, we learned that we should avoid using those things just for fun which can badly harm someone. Like Foxy decided to use mud, paint, banana peels just for her fun. All these things could have harmed the other animals of the jungle. But Bhima smartly turned the situation by changing materials with flowers and leaves. So, we should always play safe Holi. Got that? Now, children, you have to read this chapter. Now comes to its back exercise. A exercise we have, complete these sentences with words from the box. Here, Foxy the fox was singing. Next, Foxy asked Bhima for help. Next, Foxy and Bhima stopped under a tree. Fourth one, they came to the middle of the jungle. And the fifth, they played Holi with flowers and leaves. Now come to the B exercise. Tick the name of animals who played Holi with Foxy and Bhima. So they are rabbits, bears, elephants, deers and monkeys. Next, who put these things into the box? Write Bhima or Foxy on the blank. So here mud. Who put the mud? Foxy. Who put the shoes polish? It's Foxy. And leaves? Bhima. Banana peels? Foxy. And who puts the flowers? Bhima. Now come to the next page. D exercise we have. Here we have given word wall and circle the odd word in each set. So first is here paint, faint, scent. So went will be odd. Peel, feel, heel. So pool will be odd. Sound, round, found. And hand will be odd. And here write double letters on the blanks to name these animals. It's squirrel, double R, rabbit, double B, giraffe, double F, and hippo, double P. Come to the next page. In G part, we have to write this or that. So, here this is a car and that is a bicycle. And this is a bee and that is a tree. And here in H part also we have these and those. These are bats, those are teddy bears. These are my books, those are my toys. Now here K part. Match a column to make sentences. Write them below. So here the monkey climbs the tree. Okay. My school bus is late today. You have to write it down here. The peacock is dancing. And we like to play in the park. Okay. Next, the M part we have, it will be for your homework. You have to write it down by yourself here. How can we keep animals safe during festival? Put a tick or cross in each box. So students, it's enough for today. Have a nice day.